Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you 3D Studio Max Advanced course. As each sunset introduces high-functionality rich features with user-friendly trend in information technology, therefore 3ds Max is the most key ingredient used by the entire computer user for different purposes for both personal and official use. So if you're interested to register for Introduction to 3ds Max, Essential Editing and Formatting, Working with Tables and Lists course to come forward as a 3ds Max expert, a lot of confusion takes place in your mind. What will you learn? Creating primitives, setting units and dimensions, modeling with splines, lofting objects, cloning and grouping objects, using the modifier stack, editing polygon meshes, working with subdivision surfaces, creating NURBS curves and surfaces, building materials, mapping textures, controlling lights and shadows, keyframing animations, rendering a sequence. Benefits of this course. Some of the major pros are, it supports a huge number of tools that are easily available for modeling, it is user-friendly in modeling and complex animation, it supports powerful and multiple tools for animation, it supports the material editor that allows the user to create and edit materials and maps in their scenes. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.